There are W, T and Co groups, each with 5 time points. All groups have 4 replicates. You can switch all samples and average datasets. There is one tree object under the all samples dataset based on individual samples. And the average dataset contains 4 tree objects, each representing clustering results for group averages. The tree structure at the top of the heat map is a sample tree. You can click on the node to select sample groups. The Sample Info tab in the lower panel gives you detailed information about the selected sample group. If you clear the Show Sample Tree checkbox, sample groups are sorted as the line graph. This way might present the time course pattern more intuitively. A single click on a node selects the genes beneath it. A double click on a node zooms it. You can save a new gene list of the selected genes, as you can do in other views. This cluster of genes shows a similar time course pattern in both WT and KO. You can confirm it in the line graph view. Back to the root node to show the whole, and select the QC2 list to fill the heat map. Another cluster shows a similar time course pattern in both WT and CO, but with an upward trend. Check it in the line graph. You can define 5 clusters in the same way. You can traverse tree nodes using the tree model on the right side. You can go down to the upper or lower child node. The pale yellow box indicates where you will go. Also, you can jump to the sibling node. And, of course, you can move up to the parent node. Now you know how to traverse tree nodes, without zooming by double-clicking a node. Lastly, you can reset to show the root node with a single click. Furthermore, you can add selection by clicking while pressing the Shift key. Or you can invert the selection by pressing the Control key while clicking. By the way, in the line graph view, the processed signal shows the log2 ratio relative to the average. On the other hand, CH1 raw signal represents gene counts. And the color indicates abundance. Now, in the tree view, you can switch the color based on the expression alteration or abundance, too. The vivid blue color of CH1 raw signal indicates a very low expression. You can distinguish the expression levels by color. The meaning of color changes when you switch the value to display.